record.
The subject.
I have always been a dreamer, full of visions of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make them my home. I believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few. For as rare as they are, like a bright falling star, I found one in you. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the view so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then I stop and I remember I have you to save my days.
Often my imagination has been reaching out too far. When I felt you were there, we were in the air. You knew from the start. Sometimes after all you've done to save me, should the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and it's true, it comes from nowhere. I have you to save my day. Sometimes it's feeling helpless when I help you, wishing words would come to tell